Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Yesterday I going to the supermarket here in Beersheba, and I choose to go in Boom because I want to buy winter blanket. But while I'm going inside, I go to the wine stall. Then I saw this wine is different to my eyes, and very unique packaging, and very unique labeling. And you see, this is the Joshua Jerusalem Hills Vineyard, Israel Merlot. Yung packaging niya, makikita niyo yung sinaunang tao, may pasan-pasang binalagwit na ubas. And then Joshua, and then yung crown, yung palace ay hugis crown. And then yung puno ay parang ubas or olive. This is symbol of Israel. And then you will notice that the neck of the bottle have a red label. It means red wine. And the cork is very strong, not soft. It's very hard for me to fold the corkscrew. And then written and the cork is Noah Winery. If you check at the back, it written when the wine manufactured. Written here is the Joshua Merlot, alcohol 13% volume, 750 ml, vintage 2023. Dun po kasi sa pinag-aralan namin sa bartendering, the more na mahaba yung vintage ng alak, the more na masarap. This is vintage last year. Nakalagay dito 2023. It means bago pa lang ito, siguro because of the war, hindi agad nila ito na-sale o kagagawa pa lang nila ito last year. Pero mas masarap siguro kung na-excite ako kasi kagagawa lang last year. And then dry red wine, Judean Hills, product of Israel. Their explanation about this wine, kung paano ito ginawa at saan ba ito galing. Ang alak po kasi ay galing sa ubas. Ang ubas po kasi ay may iba't ibang klaseng tawag. May tinatawag silang Shira, Gewürztraminer, ano pa ba yun? Chardonnay. May mga tawag sila. Yung mga name na yun is name of grapes. Ay ito ay Merlot. Pangalan po yan ng grapes. Kapag nakita niyo yung mga ganong name, hindi yung pangalan ng tao, kundi pangalan ng grapes. Ibig sabihin, yung Joshua wine, red wine, is galing sa ubas na ang pangalan ay Merlot. And then, explanation nila dito, Noah Merlot hails from the foothills of the Judean mountains, south and east, from Jerusalem, near Beth Shemesh. This silky wine features forward fruit along with spices aromas, vanilla, plum, and chocolate notes. Open and decant at least a half hour prior to drinking. Best served at 18 degrees Celsius with roast duck and curry dishes. Mostly, if we open the wine, we directly drink through the wine goblet at the same time. But written here is it's better to open the wine half hour before drinking. And if you want to drink here, it's better to drink with the partner of duck, roast duck, and curry dishes. It's very difficult to find duck here in the market. Curry is easy, but I think it's better to drink with this is roast beef or chocolates. And that's all for the day. For today, my blog about the kind of wine. It's very good for the gift or send your family to the Philippines. Is very nice. Hindi naman po ako binayaran para i-sell ko ito. Natuwa lang ako sa kanya. Maganda yung packaging niya. 29 shekels, equivalent to maybe more than 500 pesos. Maganda siya. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to all of us.